Sanibona bafowethu, igama uSiyawa kaMbhele. Yeah, we're back again. We're out here in PMB, Bathi Semarisburg, in one of the estates. We came here basically to do a solar system to ensure that the boom gates work constantly, the cameras work, Wi-Fi works at all times. But panels that are up there, 8 panels, a 5 kilowatt hour system and a 5 kilowatt hour battery. So I'll be showing you now. Come along inside. I want to just show you what we did. Come. So here's our system. We've got a 5 kVA SunSync inverter, and we've got a 5 kilowatt hour battery. We've got a DC disconnector there. We've got your DC DB, and you've got your AC DB. Nicely separated, DC separated to AC. Nicely, all neat and proper.